Alright guys, today's the day. We're picking up the Suzuki. She's not as bad. Just a little bit of TLC.
Yeah.
Actually doesn't smell that bad. She actually doesn't smell that bad.
No, so the windows have been open on it.
Very good.
Look at the last time it was on the road.
Nice one. Right, let's put it on its own.
Wheel it out. Going to stick the battery in it. So at least you have hazard.
She needs a little bit of TLC.
A little bit of tears. The size of it.
Yeah.
I think there could be an issue with the cylinder head.
Oh, that's great news. That's great news.
Yeah,
There's no cooler, yeah? Or that's overflow.
does not look like oil. In the water. Yeah.
No,
No,
no, it's only moisture.
because it just.
They might use slightly different oil in Japan. I mean the
Really?
cooler, yeah. Frame is perfect. Okay, so this bolt is not even holding the wheel, but the other four are holding, so so it actually is not that bad.
It isn't.
I thought she's in way
Oh,
more,
No, she's in.
way worse.
My problem
Right, now we're gonna try to tow it home, and I'll see you later. Well, that's one of the reasons we have a little bit of a delay. We can't find the keys, so we're thinking that we might be able to get a copy key done based on the lock. It's an ongoing thing now, so we'll see whether that will be possible. Yeah, for work. Why not? Why not? More work. Well guys, as you can see, the car is here. It took a while to get it in the position where it's in. For the moment, it's gonna be parking here because we have pretty much middle of December, and you know, Christmas season. I don't want to start the project at the moment. The plan is very simple. I had a chat with the owner. I was hoping he would like to change the color, but we ended up deciding not to changing the color. So what we're gonna do with this car is he needs a proper service. It hasn't been serviced since 2007, I believe. So we'll be doing the oil changes, you know, the usual. It needs TLC. It needs a lot of it. It has been, as I said, nothing has been done to this car since 2007. So it needs a clean, a proper one, a deep clean. So we'll be taking out all the inside. We'll be taking out all the seats and so on and so on. So that's all going to be happening, but not now. It's gonna be happening as a January project. So yeah. Oh yeah. Well, one more thing that we will probably gonna do is the owner decided he wants to raise it. So I think 2-inch lift is going on top of it. I also think we're gonna be changing the tires and alloys, but that's gonna be confirmed. I'm not 100% sure. But yeah, overall, it's a it's a different project than the previous one. This one is definitely more smaller. I'd say it'll be much easier to work with. Original plan is that I am actually gonna, when it's not gonna be all clean, I'm gonna wheel it inside, so I actually work on it during the winter season. And yeah, I'm actually excited. I'm actually excited to work on it. It's gonna be a change for sure. Definitely more manageable in terms of doing anything around it. So yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe to see the progress. I will try to do weekly updates on the car, but that's gonna be beginning of January. So yeah, all exciting. Again, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you on another episode.
All right, that's a wrap. To every single one of you watching, thank you. You made this year legendary. Now go enjoy your people, your feast, your peace. Merry Christmas.